All right, guys, it's me, Kinghuman, and just a little weekend video here. This video isn't going to have production values, it's not going to have a slick intro, it's not going to have sound effects, nothing whiz bang about this. It's just going to be informational, but I hope the information can help some of you guys make a few bucks. That's the goal, right? So, anyway, most of you guys know I'm an affiliate marketer, right? That's what took me from being a truck driver to a millionaire, making huge money online. And I work very little these days. So anyway, enough of that. But I wanted to show you this as the thing that is on my desk right now, something I am promoting or getting ready to promote. And I like to be different than the other online income gurus in that I want to show you what I actually do rather than say, give you something and say, hey, go buy this or go buy my course or go do this thing. A lot of gurus will tell you what to do, but they won't show you exactly what they're up to. I want to show you exactly what comes across my desk, the things that interest me, the things that work for me. I want to explain to you how they're working for me, to what degree, and turn you on to them. I believe a rising tide raises all boats. So anyway, this is what's on my desk right now. This is a platform called Vidnami. It's a platform that I use personally as a tool. It makes me money. Maybe I'll get into that later, but it makes me money as an affiliate. Now, they have two different affiliate offers that you can promote as an affiliate. They have a 14-day free trial program and they have a discount offer program. I prefer to promote the discount offer because it's got a bonus bundle. Let's take a look. So this is where, wait a minute, let me go back and explain because some of you guys may not know what I'm even talking about. An affiliate, when you're an affiliate for something, that means they give you a link. This is my link. So when I send somebody to this product, through my link, I make money, right? And I can send people to this link either through social media posts, by doing a review of the product or showing people how to use the product, telling people how they can make money with the product, give them some reason it can benefit them, and explain it so that they can make a decision whether this is something that will help them or not. And then I give them this link. And if they sign up, I make money, right? Same with this one. This is my affiliate link to the discount offer promotion. So there's two different ways to promote this. And it's a really good tool that I believe in because I use it myself. So I feel comfortable with it. Anyway, and it pays you recurring income. So something I almost forgot to tell you guys. I like promoting things that pay a recurring income because you do the same amount of work as promoting something that only pays you once, but this pays me over and over again. So in the past, I have promoted a bunch of these are kind of littler, this is not high ticket by any means. This is low end, low ticket item, but it pays recurring income. And I promoted a lot of those kind of things in the past. And that's why I get thousands of dollars every month. I get money in my inbox every single day for doing nothing because I promote recurring income products. Anyway, okay, enough of that. Let me show you the 25% off. Let me show you this offer and why I like it. So when people come through your link, when you're an affiliate, and first of all, before you even get into this, I'm not being paid by Vidnami to make this, okay? So I have no horse in this race, really. So anyway, here is where the people would land if they came through your link. Let me resize this a little bit. Okay, 25% off Vidnami for life. Get access now, $35 a month. And I like this because of the way that I can promote this with pay-per-click ads. And remember, I've already tested this with some social media posts, and this converts pretty darn well for me. That's the reason I'm making this video. It's because I'm actually a little surprised at how well this converts when you target your audience correctly. So what I like about sending people to this offer rather than the other one is this bonus package. I like this bonus package that people are going to get. Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint Pack. The 5-minute Facebook ad formula. That's cool. I'll tell you why in a minute. 21 ways to find clients. That's a good bonus. This convert your iPhone into a pro video camera. That one doesn't really rub my Buddha that much. You know, it's not that great. This one, Ultimate YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet, that's a good one. The reason I like things like this is because when I set up my pay-per-click ads, I'm going to do it in a way that targets people that are thinking about opening up their own Facebook video ad agency. I'm going to show people, I'm going to tell them, look, you want a business? This is cool business. Why is it a cool business? Because there are a lot of people looking to buy video ads for their business and put them on Facebook. This software will do it for you in 5 clicks. And it's very easy. And it makes professional videos. So basically, I'll tell them, hey, you need to check this out. Anyway, that's what this does. So what I'm getting at here is, whoops, wrong. Where is it? This one? What I'm getting at here is you guys might want to jump on board and promote this as an affiliate. You want to look at the other page? Let's do that. What does this one look like? I think I had it open already on another. Okay, yeah, I did. Okay, grow your business with video. So there's 2 different ways I would promote this with pay-per-click ads. And yeah, I kind of like this page too, but I would have to promote it in a different way. I would promote this, I would set up my keywords more towards a B2B type advertising situation. So 2 ways to go. What I suggest is you do a split test campaign with different keywords. Again, bring your imagination to this. And again, the only reason I mention this is because it is converting well for me with just a little tiny test. I just put a little social media thing out there a while ago, and it seems like every day I open up my emails and I have 1 or 2 sales every day from this. Remember, it's recurring income. I don't remember what it even pays. I think it pays, I don't know, if memory serves me, I think I get maybe $25 for every person per month. So yeah, get 1,000 people, you make $25,000 a month. It's not out of the realm of possibility, especially if you know how to start running some pay-per-click ads. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw this up here for you guys. Probably nobody's even interested, but this is what's on my desk right now. Do it, don't do it. I'll put a link below to both of these offers if you want to try one or the other, if you want to go through here and actually do it. I'm not sure if Vidnami requires you to actually be a user of the platform in order to be an affiliate or not. Some of these guys, they actually require you to be a user of the platform in order to be an affiliate. Personally, I kind of don't like that attitude, but I can't make policy for these companies. They are what they are. I will touch very briefly on the video agency kind of thing. So what people are doing is they're using this platform to make Facebook videos, influencer videos, Facebook ad videos, Google ad videos, all kinds of different videos, sales videos, and they're basically selling them on Fiverr. They're selling their services as a video agency. So this, I think, could work well for that because it's so easy. Basically, anybody could do this, and the videos look so damn good. They convert well. I've made several sales videos using this software. Saved me a ton of time and money. I know I paid like once I paid like $5,000 for a sales video. I do this for like 30 bucks a month, and it's so good. It's so good. And I paid 5,000 bucks for that video, and it took them a month to get the video back to me, the finished video. And I had to make like 4 revisions. This thing, I crank out a sales video in like an afternoon, maybe 30, 40 minutes, and it's good. It's good. It converts. It works. Anyway, I love this tool, if you can't tell. But yeah, maybe it would work for you as a agency situation. The one thing I would say is, if you're going to do this as an agency and say put your services up on Fiverr, people are getting good money for these videos, but you need to be different from other people. You need to be able to market your services better than anybody else. So what I suggest you do is do a Google search on how to sell my Fiverr services better than anybody else, right? And you'll find a bunch of free information. You'll find a bunch of information for sale. Start with the free information, but learn how to be different from everybody else. Anyway, maximum respect, guys. There'll be links below in the video, and I'll even include a link to my website that has a 7-day free trial where you can learn more about marketing, creative marketing, done for you businesses in a box. Okay, I don't want to do an ad for my website. That's so cheesy. All right, guys, maximum respect. Donate a couple of bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. I hope this has helped a couple of people. Cheers.